In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your ebook to Google Drive, making it easier for you to store, share, and distribute your content seamlessly. First, let's dive into the basics. Open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. This is your central hub for storing files securely in the cloud, and it's quite simple to navigate. Look for the colorful plus sign or the button labeled New, typically found in the upper left area of the screen. Click on it, which will prompt a drop-down menu of options. You'll want to select File Upload, which is the best choice for adding singular files like your ebook. Next, you'll need to locate your ebook file on your computer. Ideally, your ebook should be in a common format like PDF, EPUB, or DOCX. For easy compatibility, once you found the file, simply select it and your browser will upload it directly to your Google Drive account. Keep in mind that larger files might take a bit longer, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now that your ebook is in Google Drive, the next step is to create a shareable link so others can access it. This is a crucial step, especially if you want to reach a wider audience. Start by locating the file you just uploaded in the list of items in your Google Drive. Right-click on the file, and you'll see a range of options. Look for Get Link and click on it. By default, Google Drive sets your file to restricted, meaning only you can access it. To share it, you'll need to adjust this setting. Click on Restricted, and a small menu will appear. Choose anyone with the link. This makes the file accessible to whoever has the link without compromising your privacy. It's important to set the appropriate permission level for your ebook. For ebooks, the viewer permission is the most suitable choice. This will allow users to read your ebook without making any changes or comments, preserving the integrity of your content. Keep a lookout for any inadvertent adjustments if you're working on other shared files. Once you've done this, you can now copy the link. Just press Copy Link and you're ready to share. Now you have a world of possibilities in front of you. You can paste this link into emails, blogs, or social media to reach your audience. A great way to entice your readers is to use a compelling call to action, such as download my free ebook here, followed by your unique link. This not only invites engagement, but also makes it easier for your audience to access your material instantly. And there you have it. Uploading your ebook to Google Drive and making it shareable is an effective way to distribute your work with minimal hassle. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.